Alright, I made a dent in the gravel a little bit. I took about maybe 1,200 pounds. Yeah, about 1,200 pounds out of 6,000 pounds? 6 to 7,000 pounds there. Tired. Cut the branch in half just so I could get by it. I'll cut it up with the chainsaw tomorrow. Logs over there. I use this Ryobi 18-volt pole saw just because I don't have any mixed fuel for the chainsaw already. I'm absolutely whooped. I got it pretty level before I started putting the gravel in there. And I started just carting wheelbarrows full of gravel back here. I have a lot more to do, but getting it perfectly level after the gravel is the critical part, so the concrete is level. And the forms, I'll build the forms probably this weekend. So I'm tired. It's gonna be beautiful.